Welcome, today I'm with Jabra Elite 85H and I'll show you how you can switch on and switch off this device. So if you wonder how we can make it, that's very simple. Take a look. Here we have the indicator, and when you rotate your headphones like that, indicator is blinking on the green, they turns to the pairing mode automatically, and you will also hear the sound notification. To turn them off, you have to rotate just like that to the neutral position. And right now the indicator blinks a few times on the red, and it means that right now they are just turned off. So that's how you can turn them on and turn them off. That's very simple, as you can see. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.